Okay, it's 84 degrees in here. There's an issue with this AC system. The air handle is good. The AC is not blowing cold air. So let's go outside. So here's the strike cool. So the issue is the condenser fan motor is not blowing hot air. So that tells me that the compressor is not working. Touch the line. Yeah, this tells me that the compressor is not working. So when I went to turn the air on, I only heard the buzzing and the condenser fan spinning. So this tells me, like I said, that the compressor doesn't work. So yeah. So this is the issue. So that's why the AC is not blowing cold air at all. Look up symptoms of the AC compressor not kicking on, but the condenser fan is. So you should look it up. I will give you an update on this system. Oh, and I made a video of this unit starting out. And I started to make a video of this strike cool in 2021. August 2021. So yeah, the condenser fan is only running, but not blowing hot air at all. So like I said before, it tells me that the compressor doesn't work. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's the buzzing. So we're going to call an AC technician. And he will find. So we're going to talk. So we're going to call an AC technician to fix it. As always, thank you for watching. Over and out. Like I said before, I will give you an update. Oh, and I have one more thing to say before you guys go. We're going to put a window AC unit in my room. On this window. I'm also going to make a video of the window AC unit. Thank you for watching.